Welcome. Today, I'm exploring an app called Math Formula Equation. This app is a full collection of math formulas. Most students fear math, but formulas make learning easier. What makes this app unique is simple. It shows the formula. It explains how to use it. It even tells you the inventor or institute behind it. So if you ever thought, who invented this math torture? Now you'll know exactly who to blame. Let's open one. Name, slope formula. Expression, m equals y2, y1, x2, x1. Type, algebra. Inventor, René Descartes. Institute, French Rationalism School. Description, slope measures how steep a line is. E.g., a slope of 2 means for every 1 unit right. The line goes up 2 units. Usage, compute the steepness or rate of change between 2 points on the line. Proof. By definition, slope equals delta y delta x. Given 2 points, x1, y1, and x2, y2. Delta y equals y2, y1, delta x equals x2, x1 m equals y2, y1, x2, x1. Example problem. Find the slope of the line through 1, 2, and 4, 8. Example solution. Delta y equals 8 to 2 equals 6. Delta x equals 4 to 1 equals 3. M equals 6/3 equals 2. Quick. Simple. Done. And that's only one formula. I will explore more formulas from this app in upcoming videos. A big update is also coming soon, so the app will get even better. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want to try the app, the download link is in the description.